Hello guys, how are you? Today I'm gonna show you a very special way that you can find niches or trendy niches fresh that are because of movies or series that are trending. For this example, I will use Netflix, and I will show you how I find niches I never think about. I know they are trending because the series or movies are very popular at the moment. So let's make it quick. Here we are on Netflix. I take a look at movies are trending, series. I take a fast look, and then I created a prompt that I have here that I will paste on my ChatGPT here, and I will ask him to make a deep research to scan the last most popular movies and series on Netflix, show me the 10 most popular, and show me the 10 most popular keywords for each one that I could use for merch on demand. Let's see what it brings. Are you interested in global? Let's put US because I'm gonna upload my design in the USA mostly. English, yes, English. Keywords, everything. Okay, that's it. So here we got the results in a nice list. Top trending Netflix movies and series with keywords. Let's see. The fuck? Evil influencer. I don't know that one. Let's see the keywords. A passenger's momfluencer can be one. Let's see. Let's here expand more. True crime. I think it can work. I've heard that before. True crime. Let's see Priscilla. I haven't. That's Priscilla Presley, the daughter, I think, of Eldis. Well, the older girlfriend. I don't know. Rock and roll, Memphis, maybe 1960s. Maybe it's trending because of the series. I'm gonna find like 5, and we'll take a look. Pitch Perfect. Oh, I don't know that one. Pitch Please. Pitch Please. Hawaii Vacation can be maybe that. Hawaii Vacation. Let's see what more. You see, you can find niches you never think of here. I'm sure they are trending in a way because the series or the movies are very popular at the moment. So believe me with that. Mexico City, Bodyguard maybe. Bodyguard. Let's see one more. Porsche, Ferrari. Of course, you have to find keywords that are generic. No names of the actors or phrases of the actors or nothing like that. For example, Emily Junk, no. Legacy Vela, no. Kingpin. This is now we are in the series. Runaway, I don't know that. Drug Addiction, no, because it's controversial. Stranger Things, well, you can't use 11. Demogorgon, no. John F. Kennedy, Miami. For example, here we can find Spanglish, maybe. Easy. One more. Eminem Paris. Wait, maybe Paris is trending. Or the Little Rock, Controversy, Prison Reform, Dave Chappelle, no. Unapologetic, maybe. Unapologetic. For example, Mark Robert Crutch's STEM education. That seems interesting. Okay, let's work with these ones. I'm gonna put bestsellers in each one to see if they are selling. Wait a minute, the sellers. And now we're gonna look at the BSRs, the amount of competition and the BSRs of each one. Let's see, STEM. We have 1,500 results, but with good BSRs. Under 500,000, for me, it's very good to work on. You see, okay. See the other one. What it was this one? Puerto Rico. Chanca Survivor. It was Latin culture or not? Yeah, Latin culture. See, Bodyguard. This also can work. Yeah, Bodyguard DAC. That is a good niche. What is Hawaii Vacations? Yes, but Competition is too high. 6,000. What is this? I don't know. No. 60,000. No, too much. 30,000. Too much. Okay. 23. Monfluencer. This could work, but I think this no demand for this. Okay, let's close this ones. We go for this niche. I think is very good. STEM, science, technology, engineering, kids, teachers. Okay, for example, I will start taking these ones. The STEMinist. Okay, let me see that one. It's a feminist, but for STEM, how many results? To sell a lot, but it has demand. I would download this. Let's see more. STEM, technology, here. Chanto Survivor, Puerto Rico. A ver, let's see. This is a way productor like that you can copy his in another new window. Chanto Survivor. See how many products. Seller. It's okay. I will download this. Let's do it with this. For example, now I have these 3 examples, and then you have to create your designs. One way to do this very simple is to use ideogram. I don't use ideogram that much to generate now, but you can go here and use this tool, describe. You press describe, and then you have the prompt. Then I will go here to my Nano Banana, create image in Pro. Let's see how this works. Always, you don't copy as the same as you find, because you have many tools now to make original designs fast. Okay, this is good, but we will put aspect ratio 4:5, graphic design over black background. Okay, this is nice. A very nice looking design. Very big, bold text, bold image, down. Then we have the STEM. I will go to ideogram again. STEM. This is the easiest way. Scribe. You don't have to write anything. You can do it with ChatGPT, Gemini also, but this is the fastest way. We go here. Aspect ratio 4:5. Graphic design. Okay. So it's good, but not the best design. I will make it black background. No t-shirt more. Okay, that's better. But did this double? I will download this, for example. If you like the design, I don't like it that much, but if it is a design you like, you can fix this easily like this. You open it in Photoshop like this. You go to the lasso tool like this to select. Go select all this, and wait for the remove tool to appear. Remove, and it will remove all the graphic you don't like or don't need. Okay, here you have. I will crop it like this. And never mind that it's small, because I say flatten here first to make it flat, and then you can save it, and then you can easily upscale the design or transform it into vector with another tool that I got. That if you like, I will talk to in future videos to how to vectorize graphics and remove background very easy. That's it. I hopefully you like the video. A nice new way to find niches, original, not the same as everyone does. With Netflix, you can do it with HBO and everything that you can imagine. So it has no limits. I hope it grow your sales. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe if you're not subscribed, and like the video. Thank you very much. See you in the next one. Bye.